Welcome back to another video, guys. I am Biswajeet and you're watching 2 Men 2 Bikes. So today with me I have a very special bike, and there aren't many words to describe this bike, but if I had to, then legendary is the only word that comes to mind. So let's see which bike it is. So the bike is none other than Yamaha's RX100. So most of you must know this bike. It's from the era of the two-strokes, and it was kind of the best bike among all other two-stroke bikes at that time. And in today's time, people recognize these sort of bikes by the most distinctive feature of the two-strokes, and that is the exhaust note. So let's not do any more talking and get straight to the exhaust note. Now it's not like the modern bikes where you have a self. You have to do it the old school way, that is the kickstart, and just wait and hear the sound, the symphony of this two-stroke machine, the bike. I would like to thank my brother Biswajeet for providing me his bike, and he also has a dedicated Instagram page on RX100, so do follow that page and show him some support. Now coming back to the bike, as I said, that people don't ride this bike because it is very fast or it accelerates like crazy, like a pocket rocket, but because the feeling that you get when you are riding this bike on empty roads, able to hear that raspy exhaust note, is from another world. No modern bike can match that level of satisfaction that you will get when you are riding this bike. And that's why you will see many owners just buy this bike second hand and keep it in their home, all restored in stock condition, because this bike is great as it is. You don't need to modify anything. The exhaust just crackles and pops a bit when you leave the throttle, and that gives you a feeling of riding a super bike. Well, this bike is no less than a super bike. In terms of performance, it beats all other two-stroke machines that were launched during its time. It was always a step ahead of all its competition. That's why it's known as the prince of the two-stroke bikes. I mean, it's hard to believe that it's about a 20 to 30 year old machine, because the way it handles, the agility this bike has, the stability it has in that in triple digit is comparable to many modern day bikes. Now, I don't think that my video would be able to express the feeling that one gets when riding a RX100, so I would request all of you guys, all you bikers out there, that if you get the opportunity, if you get the bike, let's say your friend's or your father's bike, and if you have a license of course, then do ride this bike and drop down in the comments how you felt about it. And if you like this video, do share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, goodbye. Ciao.